Hi, Generals. Well, we are concluding our look at quadrilaterals, which is a huge portion of the geometry EOI. Again, if you'll recall, all this week we've been working on identifying a quadrilateral based on its definition, classifying the quadrilaterals based on their properties, and now we're working on applying the properties of a quadrilateral and solving problems. Today's lesson actually incorporates our smart response clickers. For those teachers who have a smart response clickers, you can actually answer in your remote through the notebook file for the remainder of the general time. If you do not have the clickers, then you can just look on the screen and answer the questions on your paper and then be able to see if you get it right by looking at the answers underneath the response tab here on the right. So again, if you have a smart notebook folder, you can just go back to the actual folder and work your way through. If you do not have a notebook, then you can actually click stop and start through the video. Let's go to our first question. Okay, go ahead and pause the video until you have completely found the answer. Once you unpause, we'll reveal the answer. Okay, the answer is D, a parallelogram. Again, a quadrilateral, this quadrilateral will be a parallelogram because both opposite sides are parallel from each other. Okay, let's go to the next question. Pause the video until everyone has answered. Okay, now let's look at that. It's yes, the given figure is a trapezoid. Again, we have two opposite sides that are parallel, and actually it's an isosceles because the bases are the same, if we remember our definition. Okay, now let's look at the next question. Again, pause the video until you're done. Okay. Great job if you answered D. Again, the diagonal of a square are congruent and perpendicular by their definition. Now let's look at the next question. Again, pause the video until you're done. Okay, let's look at the answer. Good job if you answered B. Again, the diagonal of a face of the cube should be at least the diameter of the ball. Hence, the diagonal of the face should be 7 centimeters. We have the square root of parentheses a squared plus a squared equals 7. Therefore, a equals 7 divided by the square root of 2, which is 4.95. A little hard one. Great job if you got it right. Okay, let's go to the next question. Again, the answer was C. Both pairs of opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, let's see if you got the answer correct. The answer is true. As we can see here in our notes, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That was, again, from my notes from earlier this week. Now let's look at the final problem. Okay, let's look at the answer. The answer is C. Again, thanks to MP for the creation of the last 2 days general time features. I can't wait to talk to you again next time, Generals. Have a great week.